we're really pleased with the reaction to BBC HD channel, and that we've had very, very enthusiastic responses through, say, Twitter, and people writing to us saying, we really like the channel, can we have more, please? And they're really pleased to be able to see the BBC here with great drama and also the documentaries on BBC HD. So far, it's great and very exciting for us. But we also know that there are potentially both more channels that we could bring to Brazil, BBC Knowledge, CBeebies, for example, BBC Entertainment, and those are already there as a VOD service on Net but actually we think we could bring more channels, and secondly, gain more distribution. So of course we're talking to other partners as well for the future, but equally we also see HD as a big growth area for Net, and therefore it's a fantastic platform for us to be starting in Brazil. We're planning to do both acquisitions. We started acquiring Brazilian original productions, but actually also see this as a great opportunity to work with producers in Brazil to both localize but also to have original productions over time as the channel grows. So we're speaking to some of the great producers and companies that already exist in Brazil, but I predict, just like in the UK when the independent production sector was supported by law to grow, there will also be new companies springing up in Brazil too. So I think it's great for us to be here at an exciting time of such a lot of change, and in a way will be for us to work with the kind of burst of creativity which will also happen, I predict, if it's anything like what happened in Britain. It's early days yet in terms of our actual production plans. So at the moment we're really establishing relationships, and we have ideas. So one idea would be we're doing a natural history series called Wild Brazil, shot over a couple of years. And we're working with Bossa Nova, but the BBC producer is a natural history unit, which is world famous for its natural history. But we're working with Bossa Nova to make this series. And I think we'll be doing original productions about the science and the conservation and the ecology which goes into actually both the making of a big series like that, but also the scientific research can also be captured on the ground in the field while we're doing Wild Brazil. So that'd be an example of a kind of original production we can get on with immediately.